The Draper motorcycle range is suitable for any professional or enthusiast's workshop. The range includes paddock, quick lift and scissor stands with lifting capacities from 150 to 680 kilograms, plus a selection of heavy-duty hydraulic and pneumatic motorcycle and ATV lifts that are manufactured from steel. The range also includes a selection of specialized service tools, from fork seal driver kits, chain splitters, riveters, cleaners and tensioners, through to piston tools, filter wrenches, oil wrenches and oil pans. So for your workshop, make sure you get the range of motorcycle tools from Draper.